Hello guys, welcome back to the channel. In today's tutorial, I'm gonna be showing you how to download and install WhatsApp on your Android devices. So the process is very much simple. First of all, we make sure to get connected with your internet. Then simply start by tapping on your app's icon, go to the Play Store. Here we go. Then after you enter here, just tap on this search bar at the top. Just click on the search bar and type for WhatsApp. And once you locate the app, just tap on the app, and here you can see the WhatsApp app. You can simply install it by tapping on this install option at the right side of the app. Just click on this install. Now it is in the process of getting installed. That's it. Now your app has installed. Now you can simply open it. It is in the scanning process. You can just cancel it, or otherwise you can just simply open your app by tapping on this open option. That's it, your WhatsApp has been installed. Now you are ready to continue. So hope this video was helpful to you, and before you go, please subscribe this channel and also press the notification bell to get updated from us. So thank you for watching.